Hey guys, welcome back to Jordan Samuel Skin Talks. Welcome back, welcome back. Today, it's favorite time to do this thing. The performance cream. So, this is sort of set up as, and I'm gonna read the back to you because it really does explain it and why I created it. It says, create your own perfect combination with this peptide-enriched cream. Ideal for all skin types, you can mix and layer this cream with all other Jordan Samuel skin serums and oils to allow the spotlight to shine bright throughout your daily performance. Instructions, mix, match, layer, and be creative. Simply layer after hydrate and before an oil, or mix with hydrate serum under one of the oils to choreograph your bespoke skincare performance. Yes, that exactly. Bye, done, goodbye. Just kidding. Again, unscented, no aromatic extracts, no essential oils. Very, very lightweight and very, very lightweight on purpose. I basically said, and it's true, this was created as a serum disguised as a cream. And we played with xanthan gum and this sunflower seed wax, jojoba ester emulsifier system to create this very, very light, creamy, lotiony, serum-y texture. So when a lot of people put it on, I have it on right now, it feels really light. Satin, I think, is the term that Liz Alaska on Instagram used, and I couldn't have said it better myself. It is not mattifying. When you put it on, it will feel like it absorbs right in like a serum does, but in about a minute, you feel that protective layer on the skin, which is meant to be there with the humectants and the sunflower seed wax and jojoba esters protecting the skin. And satin, it's the perfect word for the finish and for how it feels on the skin. It's super light. However, because the actives in here are simply just peptides, I shouldn't say just peptides, but you can add retinols to this without issues, you can add the hydrate serum to it without issues, you could add an acid product to it without issues, and that's why. So I wanted this to sort of be like the backbone for most people, and then you can truly pepper in things and choreograph your own skincare performance. The base, as you know, is green tea water, green tea hydrosol, rich in antioxidants, much better than just using plain water, simply. You have your sodium hyaluronate in there. Olive leaf extract is an antioxidant. Chamomile extract to calm and soothe. Glycerin, that protective emulsifier I talked about, plus 3% of peptides, which are two different hexapeptides and an octapeptide. Preservative, xanthan gum for texture. Lovely. I'm going to show you a very simple, this is my bottle, it's almost empty. This, I don't know why I'm showing this to you because it's not like that groundbreaking, but, so you can do two things. You can either, this is a little bit of performance cream, you can drop, I'm going to put, just for reference, 1 drop of hydrate into that, and 1 drop of A12 retinol into that. So this could be an actual mix that you do on your face. You could do just the hydrate and the performance cream. If you're oily and dehydrated, you could do all 3 as a nighttime regimen to really hydrate and nourish. And if you're somebody who wants to use Day 12, it feels so good. I know I always say that, but I'm always like shocked by how good it feels. If you're somebody who wants to use something like A12 with retinol, but you know, oils might be a little much for you, popping 2 drops into the performance cream is a great way to get the like nourishment without overdoing it with the oil and get the retinol in without overdoing it. And then you have the peptides, again, the 3% of peptides in there. Or if you're oily and dehydrated, adding it to hydrate, or adding hydrate to the performance cream, and then it just leaves this like very nice. So again, that was basically a drop of hydrate, a drop of A12 retinol, and like a drop and a half if you were doing drops of the performance cream mixed together. And it just creates this non-oily, non-greasy, non-sticky, non-tacky, I can still snap my fingers, that's what I was showing you. And I applied it with all these fingers just into the back of my hand. No scent, it's not offensive, it's light, it's lovely, it's wonderful. But it really is, the performance cream is really sort of the backbone of the line when it comes to hydrating and nourishing and soothing the skin. And then you pepper things in to create what your skin needs on that day. Because part of me creating the line too was about the fact that your skin is changing, as always, year to year, month to month, week to week, day to day, but even hour to hour. If you're traveling on a plane, if you're going from a super dry environment to a super humid environment, or vice versa, or super cold to super hot, or super hot to super cold, your skin is always trying to balance itself out and figure that out for you, and it does take it a while, but it is actively doing that. So your routine that might work in this city might not work in that city, or might work in this season, might not work in that season. So you do have to constantly play and tweak and change. That doesn't mean all of your products need to be tweaked and changed. You can just play up like I did. Maybe you don't use a 12th retinol during one time of the year, but then another time of the year you do pop it in, and you pop it into the cream like this. Maybe you just like your oils and your hydrate serum and you don't like the cream, but then later on or at some point in the year you want to add the cream in, depending on how your skin is or where you are. So that's the great thing about having a skincare wardrobe, and then you use 3 or 4 products a day, not 77. But maybe you have 77. I hope you don't. But then you can figure out what you need that day. Look at your skin, really examine it. The more, if you're able to afford it and can go and get a facial and really know your skin and know how it's doing, and like I always say, seasonally at the very least, if you can do it, it's great for a facial because you can always check in. You don't have to like redo your whole, again, if you have a ton of product, you're not gonna have to get rid of them, get all new stuff, even if the facialist tells you that. Trust me, you don't. It's a sales tactic. But just listen to what they're saying and then take it with your own products and choreograph your own skincare routine. Pepper it in, take it out, add it in, mix it together, blah, blah, blah. You get the point. But that is the performance cream, y'all. I hope you love it. I hope you liked tips and tricks. So many of you have even better tips and tricks than me, which is what I love. So please share those down below or let me know any questions you have. And thank you guys, as always, for your love and for watching. Bye. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. You can subscribe by clicking the black JS circle down below so we can stay in contact and keep talking. To watch more videos, you can click on the link here, or possibly here. Thanks for watching. Bye.